Hi guys, welcome back to Stroll with me. I hope you all are doing well and you are healthy. So I'm here with another vlog, and today in this vlog I'm gonna show you the different Indian groceries which I purchased from an Indian store which is just nearby from my apartment. So I stay currently in Berlin, and in Berlin in Lichtenberg district, and here in Lichtenberg district I have a wonderful Asian market called as Dongzung. So usually I go there because there are many Indian grocery stores, and I usually buy my grocery from there. That too from very specific store, I think in Halle 18, which is the hall 18 in the Asian market. So they have this big halls. So in the Halle 18 there is a new grocery store which opened. New in the sense it's not like really new, but yeah, I mean among all the other stores which are there already, so it's one of the newest one. So I usually go there. Before I also used to go to another grocery store, and I also made a video about that just to show you what are all groceries available there. I'm gonna link that in the description, also in the description below, and also you'll find a link here somewhere. So do check out if you want to also know about the store. I think it's in another hall but not hall 18. Now let's see what are the grocery that I purchased recently, and I'm gonna show you the prices of each and every item that I picked, so that you will know what are the prices. If you want, you can compare that to current prices in India, but I won't usually do that. Go step by step from here. So this is Kashmiri chili powder, which costed me €1, and then turmeric is again €1. These are uncle chips which are €1.2, and 2.99 for poha, which is 1 kg, and then MTR vermicelli is for 1.79. And here the dried curry leaves, because you won't get fresh curry leaves. I use this in tadka, so that's why I have bought this, and it's for €2, 1.99. And popcorn is €1. These are the dried popcorn, corn seeds. And urad dal is €1.49, which is 400 grams. And the Maggi, this is €3.2. We have, I think, some 8 packets inside it. I don't remember, but yeah, it's a huge packet. It's for €3. And now again, urad dal split 1.39. Moong dal is 1.69, 500 grams. And tur dal is 5.49, 2 kg. And chickpeas are for 4.29. Sorry, though, I don't know, they have the tag upside down. So chickpeas for 4.29, and chana dal is 1.19, and split masoor dal is for 1.19. And I picked arhar dal masala, which is 1.20. And here the jaggery is 1.99. This is khanum ghee, which is 5.79, 400 grams. And I have picked the pickle, the mango pickle, which is 2.39. It is Priya pickle. And 1.49 is for gulab jamun. And whole jeera powder, I don't know how much they have charged, but it is also somewhere around 1.5 to 1.7 euro. And Ashirwad atta, and also I have picked ghee rice. Ghee rice is for €11, and Ashirwad atta is for €8. So these are the prices of Indian grocery here in Berlin. So it also depends store to store. The place I will go, they have very reasonable prices. And I'm gonna show you my bill, how much I have paid for all those grocery. I have paid €76. So €76, which comes around 7,000 around for all those groceries. I know it's a bit expensive, but still, yeah, we are getting all of this here, which is like wonderful.
If you purchase this India, I don't know how much it's gonna cost you, like in total. Let me know in the comment section.
Now, as you have seen some of the price of the groceries that I purchased, now you have already got an idea. And now coming to some of the important things that I'm gonna tell you. The first thing is, what are the things that you have to get from India? If you go to India, if you're the first time coming from India, then I would definitely recommend to buy tur dal, at least 2 kgs of tur dal, because I don't know, whenever I buy tur dal here, it doesn't taste same like Indian one. I don't know, because the tur dal is the main thing that we use a lot. Like, I think once in a week or twice in a week we definitely make dal. So getting tur dal, yellow lentils, so it's really important. I mean, for me it's important. So I'm gonna tell you like what I usually get, I mean prefer to get when I go to India and I'm coming back. So yeah, tur dal, and then tamarind, because the tamarind which is available here, I just don't like it. So I buy tamarind, tur dal, and I also get lot of pickles. I mean, even though the pickles are available here, the Priya pickles and all, but still it's very cheaper in India. Even you can get the pickles from your your local seller, which are like really tasty. So I also get chili powder. I mean, you will get chili powder here, that's not at all a problem, but for me, that homemade chili powder, it's really important. So I get the chili powder, and then I also get the haldi powder, because that again, the fresh haldi powder. And then also there are some kind of powders that your mother or your grandmother, I mean, which are been inherited from them. So that powders, usually we do curry leaf powder, and there is also an garlic and chili mix powder. So I usually get that powder from there, because it's tough to make here. So I don't know, I'm so lazy, maybe it's tough to make for me. So I usually get those powders which are not at all available here, because it's a personal recipe. So just get those things which are like very personal, close to your home. And then also I also buy those Everest masalas, usually the Shahi Paneer, and these are all available here. There's no, I don't think so there's much price difference, but still I get it, because the ones that I get, they are very fresh, they last very long. I mean, the smell of it is also, it's really different, because they smell very fresh. And the ones I buy here, sometimes there are some quick masala powders which doesn't smells the same after a few days. So I also buy this all Shahi Paneer, chole, chaat masala and everything. If you are into such kind of eateries which are specially particular to health, like the chawan prash, and also if you are into eating the things which are like similar to hajmola, and these things are dead costly here. So just I'll suggest buy those things, because I bought this sweetened amlas which were dipped in the sugar syrup. So it's almost 6 euros. In India it's half, not even the half, it's just lesser than the price that I got here. So those things, if you are into, then definitely I will suggest you to buy it from India. And also if you're into some Indian cosmetics, because I know people who love to use the Johnson & Johnson powder, still oils, and yeah, something like the hair oils, and some kind of creams, and also some kind of special medicines for immune system and all, like the Baba Ramdev medicines. If you are into all of that, then I would recommend just buy it from India. You have to be very careful when you get Indian groceries. So my suggestion is, check all the stores which are available around your area. Go and visit each one of them, buy few grocery from each one of them. okay, then you will get an idea. Also, there will be price difference in each and every store. The price are not fixed. So the price, there is also price difference. Just analyze the price difference, analyze the quality, and then you finally choose one store, and you just go there. And another tip here I want to give is only choose that store which is like where there are more and more customers, where their goods are fast going, and they're replacing their inventory very soon. So only go to such stores. It's my experience. If you visit any of the Indian store where the customers are very less and they are not replacing their inventories very often, then there are high chances that it happened with me. There are high chances that they are products which are already expired, but still they are selling those products. It happened with me many times in many stores, not only in Berlin but also in other country in Europe. So it happened with me that they sell the products which are expired. If you don't see that, and if you just pick that and come back home, and that's it, it's expired, and there's no way that you can go and ask them. So just make sure that. So is it recommended to buy from the online stores? My experience was it was once it was good, once it was not at all okay, because I once ordered grocery online when I was in Latvia, and my experience was not really good because they just replaced the products which are not available. If I only like the TRS brand, if it is not available, they will replace some other thing instead of that which you don't really like, and the quality of the things is not the same. So this happens. So they replaced few things which I don't really like, and they also sent me one expired thing. So I just don't really like. I don't really trust on the online store, at least when buying the Indian grocery. So it's always recommended that you go to the store, you check from your own eyes, you check the expiry dates and get it. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, then just don't hesitate to contact me. All my social media accounts are here in the description. Go there, follow me on Insta, follow me on Facebook, send me your questions if you have any. Also, you can comment here in the comment section right below this video. So that's all for this video, and see you again next week. Until then, bye.